Hello, everyone. Welcome to Phone Transformer, the channel where you can learn how to fix common problems with your phone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix error 404 on Android. Error 404 means that the web page you are trying to access cannot be found by the server. This can happen for various reasons, such as a typo in the URL, a broken link, or a deleted page. But don't worry. There are some simple steps you can try to solve this problem. Let's get started. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Sometimes, error 404 can occur because of a poor or unstable internet connection. So check your internet connection. Toggle down and turn on and off your Wi-Fi or mobile data. If you can connect to the internet, but still get error 404, move on to the next step. Step 2. Retry the web page by tapping the refresh or reload button, or repeatedly trying the URL from the address bar. Sometimes, error 404 can be temporary, and the web page may load after a few attempts. So refresh or reload the web page. Swipe down from the top of the screen. To retry the URL, you can tap the address bar and press the Enter or Go button on your keyboard. If this doesn't work, move on to the next step. Step 3. Force stop and clear data. Sometimes, error 404 can be caused by a glitch or a cache issue in your browser. To fix this, you can force stop and clear data of your browser app. To do that, go to your phone settings. Scroll and tap on Apps. Then click on Manage Apps. Then, find the browser app that you are using and tap on it. You will see two options: Force stop and clear data. Force stop will close the app completely, and clear data will delete the app's cache and data. Tap on both options and confirm your action. This will reset your browser app and clear any passable errors. Then, reopen your browser app and try to access the web page again. That's it. These are the 3 steps you can try to fix error 404 on Android. I hope this video was helpful and informative. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more phone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.